Okay guys, I just opened the box on my Samsung Q70R series 65-inch TV. This is the 2009 model that just came out here in the US. Today's March 20th, and I believe it came out on Amazon a couple weeks ago. I'll show you what's in the box here in a second, but I wanted to go over a quick overview of the box. Direct full array 4X quantum processor, which gets you upscaling power to display things in 4K. Quantum HDR, which helps the colors seem more vivid, especially if your media is formatted in HDR. Then this is an actual HD. There you can see it at HDR10 plus certified TV, and that has to do with a certain nit brightness level and color gamut. Native 4K resolution, compatible with Apple AirPlay, Alexa, Google Assistant, Netflix. So it's a very smart TV, really high end. 4 HDMI inputs, I think is what that means. And then we're gonna pan back over. This is a very large box, 65-inch TV. So then you can see it's also gonna explain a little bit more about the quantum dot technology, Bixby voice control, universal guide, game enhancer. That's probably a low lag, high refresh rate mode you can put the TV in. And then boundless design is, as you can see kind of from this picture, very thin bezel. So in the box, when you open the top, you get 1 foot for each side of the TV, your quick setup guide, and your accessory kit, which looks like it contains several items: safety and warranty documentation, user's manual, remote control, power cable, batteries for the remote, and these probably help with the feet, or there's spacers to use the TV with its VESA mount, which you can see the TV's got a VESA mount in the back, as well as the stands that it comes with. So this is part one. I'll be back shortly with part two, where we take this thing out of the box.